Part 3 on climate justice. Focus more on impacts on climate change on health, environment, culture, and economy. Climate change is already shrinking glaciers and ice caps, altering the availability of fresh water. It contributes to ocean acidification, destroying coral reefs and other aquatic ecosystems. It makes places uninhabitable for some plants and animals, leading to extinction and redistribution of species, threatening food production with alien pests and diseases. A rise in sea levels threatens hundreds of millions of people in coastal communities and cities across the globe. Food and water shortages and conflict over productive land will arise, while progress in global health could be rolled back by communicable diseases such as malaria reaching places they never existed before. Climate change is one of the defining issues that we face up until this day, and its impacts are patently global in scope. It effects that are commonly known such as great increase in Earth's temperature, destruction of ecosystem around the world, a decrease in our bodies of water, are just some of the numerous existing sectors that are also greatly affected. First is health. COVID-19 pandemic, a global health crisis which affected a vast number of people in most countries, is surely one of the extraordinary events for tomorrow's history that truly changed the world. Climate change affects many of the social and environmental determinants of health: clean air, safe drinking water, sufficient food, and secure shelter, according to the World Health Organization of the year 2018. Second is environment. Our environment is a necessary source of our needs that must be maintained and well taken care of. Droughts last longer and they cause loss of crops. Sea levels are rising and oceans are becoming warmer. The European Commission on Climate Action states that climate change may aggravate erosion, decline in organic matter, salinization, soil biodiversity loss, landslides, desertification, and flooding. And we have seen these effects in recent years. Our planet and all the living things and organisms are at risk. Next is culture. Culture is a nation's costumes, arts, social institutions, and achievements of a certain group. A culture of a certain place, may it be a whole country or society, is transferred from generation to generation. It is their identity and belongingness of one's origin or place. Affecting our environment because of warming of our planet's temperature could also affect the resources of our tribal communities and cultural identities of the native countrymen. And heritage is also defined as property, something that is inherited and passed down from previous generation. It means that heritage consists of culture, values, and tradition. Culture heritage then means that there is a shared bond, a belonging to a community. Since climate change has the potential to have a significant impact on human populations by causing a wide range of physical and social changes, it means that cultural security is also threatened. Lastly is the economy. The global issue of climate change also affects the economic performances of countries. The prediction of temperature increase in country of Indonesia is expected to be 0.8% Celsius by the year 2030. The changes in climate change will have a significant and negative effect in the country's economy. The gross domestic product will slightly drop, thus will increase the prices for consumers by a small amount.